Hi, I'm Sonia. Now that you're living independently, you'll need to know how to make a few simple meals. So today I'm going to show you how to make pasta with sauce from a jar. It's easy, nutritious, healthful, not much harder than instant noodles, and so much better for you because it doesn't have nearly as much salt or fat. In order to make this dish, you will need the following items: a large pot with a lid, a small pot, lid is optional, a colander or pasta strainer, a pasta spoon or something to stir and serve the pasta, a wooden or plastic spoon for the sauce, enough pasta for everyone, a jar of pasta sauce, oven mitts or pot holders. Fill the large pot with water about 3/4 full. You want the pasta to have enough space, but you don't want the water to boil over. Place the pot on the stove over a medium-high flame. If you're using an electric stove, set it to 7 or 8. Add about 2 heaping tablespoons of salt. Remember, most of it goes down the drain. Cover the pot so the water comes to a boil more quickly. Open the jar of sauce and pour it into the small pot. Add a small amount of water to the empty jar, shake it, and pour that into the sauce as well. Place the sauce on the stove over a low flame, or a 2 or 3 if it's electric. Rinse out the jar and put it in the recycling bin. While we're waiting for the water to boil, let's set the table. The word fork has 4 letters, so does the word left. The fork goes on the left. Knife has 5 letters, so does right. The knife goes on the right. The water is boiling. Use an oven mitt or pot holder to remove the lid and place it on the counter. Let's add the pasta. Most pasta comes in 1-pound bags or boxes, which is enough for about 4 adult servings. Stir immediately. Check the cooking directions and set a timer for the shortest amount of time. You can always cook the pasta longer, but you can't uncook it. Check on your sauce. Place a colander in the sink. Stir the pasta every so often. When the timer goes off, run a piece of pasta under cold water and test it for doneness. If it's still too hard, cook it for another minute or 2. Using your oven mitts or pot holder, carefully carry the pot to the sink and drain the pasta in the colander. Immediately transfer the pasta back into the pot. Add sauce and stir. Before you eat, run some water around the pot. This will make cleanup easier. Finally, it's time to eat. How about some cheese on your pasta? I like to add some pepper too. That was delicious. Now it's time to clean up. Pour your leftover pasta into a container with a tight-fitting lid and store it in the refrigerator. Wash pots, pans, and wooden utensils by hand with lots of hot, soapy water. Then dry everything and put it away. Wipe down the countertops. When the cooktop is cool enough to touch, wipe up any splatters. Clean up the sink, and you're done. How to reheat pasta. To reheat pasta, place some on a microwave-safe plate. Wet a paper towel, wring it out, and place it over the pasta. Microwave the pasta in 30-second increments until it reaches your desired temperature. Enjoy!